we are going to do Elsa and Black Panther. So you're going to be Black Panther from the movie, right? Okay, perfect.
And I'm going to be Elsa from the movie.
And you're going to be Elsa from the movie. So what I want to do
Very nice.
I'm being Elsa.
are.
And I have corn on my chest, Mama. Me too. Look it.
So, okay, now everyone hold still. Okay, everyone you close eyes softly. Don't squeeze.
Boy.
And don't squeeze. As soon as I put these on, I'm going to dry it, so don't open. Other
Elsa and
side.
Black Panther have a battle.
Don't open. Don't open. Okay, boop. What I want to do is put all of the white lines on Black Panther and let them dry. And then we'll zip over to Elsa and put some of her details on. And we'll just share our turn, okay? And that's nice.
Wow, you look cool. Oh boy.
So this one comes out better if the white has a second to dry.
Black
You look so pretty.
Black Panther and Elsa have a battle.
Right there, how convenient. That must be a
He's got a
popular one.
mask.
It is, but because it's such a complex one, I keep that picture there just so I can do a better job. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little peek. So far you have your white line.
I like the
And he needs black.
Yeah, I'm gonna let your. I want your white to dry for a second before we put the black. So we're gonna do a little on Elsa.
Yeah, we went on a date day, like right before Easter, so I could turn on. Go get food, and then we're gonna go watch it. And it was, I would go back. Like, it's so good.
How does it have any blue on her face? She does.
The Echo people said I can put a little bit of sparkles. Can you close your eyes? Good girl. You want a little sparkles too? Close your eyes.
My sister actually has her daughter this weekend.
Can I see the sparkles?
See it so far? So far, so far.
I like it. I love my sparkles. Yay! I got sparkles.
Here, I'm gonna do some more on you, darling.
I want doodles, mommy.
Look, she needs a crown.
No.
I have no dot.
No nutritional value in it.
I didn't know I needed a crown.
Yeah, because you're Elsa, you're Queen Elsa.
And she needs a blue dot.
Yeah, and Elsa's crown has a blue dot. I'm gonna put a little more sparkles because you're Elsa.
She doesn't eat anything, so you're not the only one.
Chicken nugget.
Come here, you. Come here, Papa.
Doritos. I won't buy Doritos anymore because at 8 o'clock in the
You have a dryer so I can dry?
What, honey?
You have something to dry that thing?
I'm gonna get Elsa's whole crown on, and then I'm gonna let her dry for a second, okay?
Something first. Maybe.
Can I see?
Actually, yeah, you can. I want to do your eyeshadow, and then I need to do some on my Black Panther. Okay, close eyes, soft eyes, gentle, soft. Good. As soon as your eyeshadow's on, I'm gonna dry it, so don't open. Other side, sweetie. Soft eyes.
otherwise
Soft.
I would be like bringing you back.
That's his
Just
hair.
turned 4 too.
Don't open.
You probably saw that.
Okay, go dry it. Boop.
Nugget.
Okay. A peek.
Party again? That was like
Now you have to wait for your snowflakes and your lipstick while I do something for Black Panther. Okay, it's Black Panther time. Yeah, but let's catch Black Panther up, okay? Now listen, I want to put this. Maybe I want to put this on your shoulder, just in case she not puts her head on you. I don't want it to get on you, okay? All right, let's do my good girl Black Panther.
a combo of like mom and dad.
Hey, I'm a good girl.
You're
Elsa.
both a good girl.
I never put my head on anyone.
You gotta go. You gotta
I never put my head on anyone because I don't want the head.
Of course not.
Elsa.
I know.
But she was Black Panther.
That's right. We need somebody. We need some superheroes around here.
I tried to get her to run away from me.
Mama, look it.
Very nice.
Okay. Softly close your mouth.
I'm like smiling. I ordered her.
This is when you really start to look like Black Panther here, okay? Hang on, I'm gonna dry it for baby. Okay, hang on, little one. Dry it. Good.
Reverse the blood. Oh no!
Give you a sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. Okay, now I've got to do some very special lines here, sweetie. Okay. All right.
It should have been done.
That's the gun.
It should have had to have a picture. Where to call that?
It's so nice of you girls to share your turn together. That way both of you get to go at once. It's more fun, right? Okay.
I love doing Elsa.
Yeah.
I like doing Black Panther.
Yeah.
I do not like Black Panthers. Why? Because I never watched the show and I'm scared of Black Panthers. So that's why I do Elsa. He is a cat. I know.
He's a king.
Yeah.
So what we have here is a king and a queen in the chair. That's pretty cool.
Black Panther is a king.
Chill.
He's a king cat.
He is a king cat.
Yep. A cat.
A cat king. Okay, let me see your ears, Black Panther.
Yeah. That's what my ears real. Let's pretend.
Right, your pretend ears. I will not paint your real ears. That would not be very nice. Right, there's your real ears. I see them.
Can I see?
Hold on.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek, you're still as pretty as before. Come here.
Do not do her real ears.
I promise I won't. That would scare all the turtles upstairs. Can you softly close your eyes? Very softly. Don't squeeze it all.
They won't be scared of me because I
Oh no, they'll be happy to see you.
Actually, why would this,
Can you softly close your eyes? Good girl, soft. Don't open. This part I want your eyes to match, okay?
This turtle upstairs.
Just today.
Are they real? Okay.
What, honey?
The turtles are real. Are the turtles real?
I couldn't hear you.
Are the turtles real?
Yeah, the turtle's real.
Told ya. What are their names?
I don't know. They'll tell you upstairs. Can you softly close your eyes? Don't open, babe.
How about they could mean named
Soft eyes. Don't open.
How about those turtles could be named Rosie?
He's a super.
And I am Elsa. I am.
Whoops. Sorry. Wow. Black Panther. Whoosh. Okay, let's finish it. Let's finish it. Queen Elsa.
Yes.
Queen Elsa's turn to shine. Wow. I didn't bring my big table because I already brought way too much stuff here. Comes our lipstick. Nobody leave because you guys are on the same, you guys are a team, so you have to have a portrait together, okay?
Why?
Because you're a team. You're my one team that I've had today. And what a team.
We love a sister.
What a team.
She wears,
Now we're going to do our snowflakes with we're going to spray our snowflakes so they look magical.
Actually, eyes come
Well,
down.
can you both close your eyes? Don't wiggle. Okay, let go arm. Arm down. Arm down. Close eyes. Don't wiggle. I promise I won't hurt you. You know, this is just face paint in the airbrush, so don't worry. It won't hurt you. The only difference is it's made with the same kind of stuff
Wow,
that
it
they
looks
use.
really nice. It looks good.
They use use, what's in that face paint, that airbrush is the same stuff that's in waterproof mascara. So it's for
Can I see in the mirror?
you.
Great. Here.
Wait, you have
look
to
at
have
me.
one more thing.
Look at
I
the
forgot to sparkle your,
Look at the-
I forgot to sparkle
right
your
here.
center gem.
Go. He smiles. You look great.
Okay, darlings.
Just put salt on one of them.
Presenting Queen Elsa of Arendelle and Black Panther. Okay, both of you, put your heads together. Let me see yours.